Well, here we are, guys. Here's the latest contraption. This is a Frankenstein bike. How crazy is that? One for the MAICO fans. Obviously not the purists. They'll be absolutely hating this thing. So it's a 1981 490 mega2 MAICO. That's what it originally started out as. An 81 MC 490, and as you can see, it's not original, to say the least. So that's what the chassis is, and someone has grafted in the 86 GM 250 two-stroke MAICO engine. It's just a crazy bike. Look how wide that tank is. So I picked this up yesterday, and I don't know why he's just gone crazy with the black gloss that's been put on with a paintbrush. Absolutely disgusting. I just don't know why. And then he painted it in the blue. Yeah, he painted it in the blue because the 86 MAICOs, the GMs, they came in red and that kind of bluey colour. When I first saw it, it looked like I thought it was an IT. It's with the yellow and the blue and the gold wheels. So yeah, I think it's awful, that colour. I think it looks so much better if it's stuck with the original MAICO red. I think it wouldn't look a bad bike. So obviously the tank, that is off a TS 250, the Suzuki. I believe the seat is as well. But everything else with MAICO, I think the radiator is off a TS 125X. Well, that side one. I'm not sure this little one is. Obviously that small needs to be smaller to fit with the front pipe. It doesn't look to be a bad job, to be fair. It's just the paint, it's cosmetics. Cosmetically awful, I think. So yeah, but the motor was actually stripped down, and he said inside was like brand new. And to be fair, it fires up first kick and it sounds really crisp, which I'll try and fire it up after. So it's even painted over the old sticker. So yeah, it's a crazy looking bike. I kind of just got it because I think cool old twin shock. I've always liked the MAICOs, never owned one, and kind of the best of the both worlds with the twin shock chassis and then the later water cooled engine, which are supposedly a pretty good motor. It sounds really good. So there's the original tank, side panel, original seat. Yeah, I need to put my thinking cap what I'm going to do with this. So everything else is pretty straightforward. Once the mountain in there, tidy up a little bit. Bit of a gap there. Yeah, That's a bit of a project. I mean, it's missing a few of the chain rollers. They need well, they need some. It's kind of just gonna, he's added the lights, not that they're connected up for, I think our plan was to Vinduro it. But I'm in two minds. I don't know what to do with this thing. Right, let's see if it'll fire up. Oh, right. A bit of a kickback that. I'm gonna get a boot on. I've learnt my lesson in the past from that. Nice and prepared now. It ran out of petrol because I forgot to put the tap on. Oh, that was a pain in the ass. So it just ran out of fuel there, but it lost its spark, and I think it's all to do with the cap, because it's not a good fit. There's the old tin foil wrapped around the foil wrap around the top there, so I think it's not getting a good connection there, so that needs addressed. But yeah, because yesterday it just fired up instant, and then there I've just spent about half an hour kicking the hell out of it. I thought it maybe flooded, but yeah, it's well, that's easy enough sorted. Yeah, it'd be a cool project this. I'm in two minds whether to do this one. If I was, lights would be removed. It looks like a lot of the plastics are all available on eBay. Because I think it'd look pretty cool with that colour back on. I'm guessing I went with the TS tank because of the, well, clearance issues. Because I thought, well, wouldn't you use the GM, the 86 tank and rad setup? But I'm guessing they maybe tried that or they didn't have it. I don't know. That's the brake lever off the 86, I believe. nice set of knobbly tyres, because I think he was debating whether to try and get it road registered, hence why he's put them semi-road tyres. Yeah, some beast. Sounds pretty good though.